Hi, Saseti. Thank you for the question that you've sent through this evening. I'm obviously just following up from Depeche, and it looks as though it's question 7 that you were having an issue with, and you didn't know how to solve for the values of k for which x squared minus 5x minus k is equal to 0 will have, in the first instance, equal roots. So that would be part A over here. I think that is what your answer is indicating. You have written down the question, but you have left off the equals 0. It needs to be in standard form, so in other words equal to 0, before you can actually answer a question like this. But unfortunately you've misinterpreted the question and you've actually solved for x, which is not what the question was asking you for. The question was asking you to solve for the values of k for which the parabola x squared minus 5x minus k has equal roots. So the word equal roots has a very specific meaning in this section. So when we talk about roots that are equal, what we mean is that the parabola touches the x-axis at one place only. So in other words, if this is your x-axis over here, the parabola touches it in one place only. So here is your equal roots. Okay, so there would only be one root. In other words, the x-axis is a tangent to the function. So what I've done is I've made a video for you on how you would answer this question using the discriminant. So just switch to the next page and it carries on over there. Okay, so here we are on the second page. What's important is that it's got to be in standard form first of all, which is the way in which it's been given to us. So we see it's x squared minus 5x minus k equals 0. What this means for us is that the value of a, in other words, the coefficient of x squared is 1. The coefficient of x, which we refer to as b, is negative 5. And in this case, the value of c, the constant term, is negative k. Roots will be equal when delta is equal to 0. Now, if you recall, the expression for delta is b squared minus 4ac. So we would need to sub into b squared minus 4ac and then let it be equal to 0 in order to be able to solve for those values of k. So we would do that as follows. All right, so if delta is equal to b squared, b is negative 5 squared, minus 4, the value of a is 1, and the value of c is negative k. Like so. For equal roots, delta is 0, so we would substitute that in there. Negative 5 times negative 5 is 25, and negative 4 times 1 times negative k is plus 4k. We would then need to move this positive 4k over to the other side, so that would give us negative 4k is equal to 25, and then we would divide both sides by negative 4, and hence k is equal to negative 25 over 4, when the roots are equal. I hope that helps. If you still need more assistance with the real roots or the non-real roots, then you'll just have to let us know. Hope this was helpful.